Hi, this is video for showing you how to build the F22 out of this Dollar Tree foam board. The kit is laser cut and it is having 3 sheets of foam. This is the nose and the fuselage, and this is the second part, which is having half of the wing, and this is again having the rest of the plane. So 3 sheets are there. To build this plane, what we need is this glue gun and maybe one tube of glue, and other tools that you might need is cutting plier, nose plier, a flathead screwdriver, and that's about it. So let's get started and see how to build this. And you may also need this 1 inch or 1.5 inch cellophane tape. So first we will build the main wing. Just press it, it will come off. This is the front half of the wing. We need this. Keep these parts separately. These are all required. Keep all the parts separately, which we are not using. This is the front of the wing and this is the back of the wing. So just since it's already laser cut, just have to press, it will come off. So now you have it like this. These two are there, the front and the back of the wing. These two have to be attached like this together. Now what we need to do to attach this is just take this cellophane tape and apply cellophane tape over here and here, here and here. Before applying cellophane tape, ensure that it is flat on the floor and the lining of the alignment is perfect over here and here. It should not be like this, or it should not be like this, where you see some extra hanging out on one side. So keep it exactly like this, and if you have a friend to help you, also take your friend's support to hold it. What you do is take this tape while you are keeping it tight against each other. Just gently, without moving it. It is a little bit tricky if you are doing alone. Have somebody help you, that will help you a lot. Apply the tape without any wrinkles. Yeah. So this side the tape is applied. Turn it around, and this side also apply the cellophane tape. Apply it in a way that you don't have wrinkles on the cellophane tape. And now what you do is, now it's like opening up. Now when you are opening it, what you do is apply glue in these two places, here and here. So now just keep it like this and apply glue over here and this side also, and here and here. Here. Now after applying the glue, what you do is just put it back on the flat surface like this and hold it tight, and just from any of the extra scrap foam piece, what you do is wipe the excess glue away like this, and this side also wipe off the excess. Yes. Let it dry thoroughly before we touch it. It will take about 20 seconds for it to thoroughly dry. Now this is dry, so what you do is, now here also apply cellophane tape this. This elephant tape will add a lot of strength, and the other side also. Now just fold any excesses there from the other side to this side, and this extra whatever is there, just cut it off with the knife. Now this will be very strong. Okay, now next is these elevons. We need to cut a bevel in these two. Okay, so just take one, fold it like this, and take the knife and cut a 45-degree angle bevel cut like this. Cut for the entire length. Okay, now it can bend backwards also like this. So repeat it for this also. Now these two are bending backwards, both the directions nicely. To strengthen it, what you do is open this and hold it this way, and here apply very thin amount of glue like this slowly, because usually the paper will get weak because of the elevons. So to remove that risk, just apply a little bit of glue, and then what you do is wipe away the excess whatever is there. Just wipe away like this, yeah, and now it will be pretty strong. Here also repeat the same. Just run it with the tip of the glue gun like this, and also there also remove the excess with the scrap piece of foam. Okay, and while it is drying, just keep bending like this so that the bending motion is known to the foam, memorized by the foam. Okay, so now the wing is done. Now we need to attach the fuselage parts. The fuselage parts, next step is, there is one here in the sheet of foam, and there is another one here, this piece. Just take them off. So these two pieces we are going to attach. How we are going to attach is, these two notches will go into these two extreme holes. The two holes are here, extreme holes. There we need to keep those two notches. So press it here like this. Okay, in these two notches, just fit it into these holes, the extreme holes, yeah, and you pull this. Before that, what you do is, here just take the screwdriver with the blunt side, just, hope you can see here, just put a small small groove, and turn it like this little bit, so that it fits like this and aligns with the front of the wing properly like this. Yeah, same way here you need to, this beginning, this groove is there, at the end of the groove here you put a crease with a screwdriver like this, and bend so that it will fold, the foam will fold like this over here in this place, and do a dry fit without applying glue to see whether it is properly fitting. Yeah, now it is properly fitting. Yes, see this, Now take one by one, apply glue the entire area like this. Like this you apply glue, and before it dries just align it and fix it here, and keep pressing while it is drying. Hold it till it dries. Press straightways down. Yeah. Any excess is there, just use the corner of a scrap piece and then wipe it off like this. Any excess. Just wipe off the excess. And that side also repeat the same. Now the wing is been done, and now what we need to do is, this is a stick mount design. Like you have a stick here, this is where the motor will get mounted with this wooden stick. This is the motor. Now we will fix the motor later. First what we will have to do is, we'll see how to, the motor, the stick mount has to be fixed here. Now for fixing it, we have these two sheets of foam, yeah, and these are 50% cut. Now what you do is, open these two cuts like this, and the center foam here, this one, remove that fully away. Remove it, totally remove it like this. Like this you remove it, and this is not required. Keep this part. Same way, this also remove the center portion by bending it and just taking it off, it will come off. Now you have these two which are having an opening. Now what we need to do is, we'll have to fix this stick mount in this like this, and here like this. Yeah, this is how this has to be fixed. But before that, remove the paper here also, this side, this paper and this paper. And for this also, see this paper, let it be. This side there is a foam, and this paper you remove it. This also you remove it. Yeah. Now if you keep it, it makes a kind of a box. So now if you see, there is this, you can keep it like this, one over the other. Now what you do is, apply glue inside this first one. Yeah. And then take this stick and just keep it flat on the floor and press it hard. And while it is drying, just apply glue here on the sides and on top of this wood. Yeah. And take the next one, this one, and put this on top of this, like this. Yeah, and press. It will be hot. Be careful not to burn your fingers. Yeah. Now that wood is fixed in between the foam sheets. So now this is dry. Now how to fix this motor mount is, this motor mount, one side you remove this paper here. Now one side alone I have removed the paper, and the side where you have removed the paper, what you do is, these two holes are there here. In between, exactly here, the motor mount has to come. So align it here, this back side is there, align it this way. Here, remove some excess glue, whatever is there, like this, and you'll have to just keep it like this and apply glue. And here we will be attaching the stick mount motor, this one. Yeah, but here you need to ensure that it is in a straight line and aligned properly. So apply glue over here. Ensure that there is no glue inside these two holes. There are these two fixing holes for the fuselage nose part of the fuselage. Here don't apply glue between these two holes. In between these two holes, exactly into the center, and align it with the back side. This one, align it here, and this side where we removed the paper, that's where we are going to apply glue, like this. And now just carefully align it. Ensure that it is straight and aligned. Yes. Just press hard. Check if it is exactly in the middle of those two holes. And once you get the exact position, press hard and just leave it till it dries. Now this is dried up, so here is where we will be mounting the motor. You see the other side, this is the top and this is the bottom. Now we will keep this aside. Now next what we will do is we will do the nose part of the fuselage. This is the part that is there for that. Just push gently and take it out. Yeah, so this is the one. Now there are 50% cuts here. This and these two are the 50% cuts. Now what you do is just gently open it like this and press it and take this foam from between the two 50% cut lines, like this, and here also. Take the foam completely from the two 50% cut lines. Yes. Here as well. And this also. Now what we need to do is take the screwdriver blunt side and also just put a straight line, like from here where there is this bend, just keep it like this and just with the screwdriver mildly make a crease, and in that crease bend these portions like this, all the three. So you bend this and this also. Now why we are bending it is so that when we fold it, this becomes fitted. Yeah. Now do a dry fit like this. Yeah. And this also do a dry fit. Yeah. And this one just do a two more crease here and make a curve fold so that there is a kind of a curve. Yeah. Now apply glue in this side and in this side and fold it like this. This is at the bottom and along the side of the bottom you will have to bend it this way. Yeah. Let's apply glue. Now just fold it into its place. And this also just hold it, the front side as well. Press it hard and hold it like this. Just hold it till it dries, and just repeat the other side also. Okay, now this is dry, both the sides are dry. Now what you do is, this part is there, this again take it and then make some lines and then bend along those lines like this, and take this off. Take this 50% line is there, from there take the foam off. Now why this is required is, this you just apply glue and then fix it here like this. Yeah, so we'll apply glue both the sides. Ensure that you're careful and don't get the glue in your hand, it will burn. Just fix it and slightly hold it tight till it dries. The excess glue comes out like this. Yeah, but remove it after it has got dried up, and let it dry. By then, this what you do, this also fold it like this and into here. Yeah, so apply glue on this side and here. Okay, and press flat like this. Yeah, hold it for a few seconds, around 20 seconds, by which time the glue will be totally dried up. Now this is fully dry. What you do is, here and here apply sellotape for strength. Apply sellotape, that place will become very strong. And at the nose also, here also. Here one patch and the bottom also apply a little. At the bottom. Yes. Now this has to be fitted here. How to fix it there is, these two areas are there. There it needs to, in that slot it needs to go, and in these two holes, these two notches has to go. Now before doing that, we will apply sellotape here just for added strength, because there is going to be some rubbing and the paper might come out from the foam. So apply half sellotape here, yeah, and then the other half just bend it around to the other side, so that this side the paper and the foam are safeguarded. Repeat it this side also. Now let us see how to fix the motor mount. Now the motor mount, we are doing a stick motor mount, so take this alone, the motor mount alone, insert it into the stick like this. Yeah, insert it like this, and then is a screw given. The screw, take the screw and put it into the motor mount, and then with a flat-head screwdriver just tighten this. Now the motor mount is tightened, See this? This here. Press these two notches and then insert in here. And after inserting, keep the angle gauge here and then bend it this way. Yeah. So that's how you use it now. Apply glue. Yes. Apply glue and just quickly put it in the notches. And before the glue dries, keep the angle gauge and create that angle and hold it when it dries. Now when you hold it, that angle will be maintained for the fins, the rudder fins. Same way we need to repeat for the other side.